Some people seem genuinely fulfilled, not perfect, not constantly happy, not living a movie-like life, but grounded, calm, connected. And when you talk to them, you notice something strange. Their life may look ordinary from the outside, yet it feels deeply meaningful from the inside. Psychologists often describe meaning as having three things. 1, a sense of purpose. 2, connection with others. And 3, the feeling that life matters. The good news is that meaning is not something only a lucky few discover. It is something we build through small habits, repeated over time. So today, let's explore 10 habits of people who live a meaningful life, not to pressure ourselves into becoming perfect, but to gently notice what truly nourishes the human heart. 1, they know what matters most. Meaningful people are not constantly chasing everything at once. They usually have a small number of core values guiding their decisions. Maybe it's family, creativity, kindness, freedom, growth, faith, or service. These values become a compass. Research in positive psychology shows that people experience greater well-being when their actions align with their values. Without that alignment, life can start feeling busy, but emotionally empty. A simple question they often ask is this moving me closer to what matters most? 2, they practice presence. Meaning is rarely found while mentally living somewhere else. People who live meaningful lives tend to notice the present moment, not in a mystical, floating above the clouds way, more like really listening during a conversation, tasting their food, watching sunlight through a window, pausing before reacting. Mindfulness research suggests that present moment awareness increases emotional regulation and life satisfaction. Presence turns ordinary moments into lived experiences instead of blurred memories. 3, they nurture deep relationships. A meaningful life is almost never a completely solitary life. Long-term studies, including the famous Harvard study of adult development, consistently show that strong relationships are one of the biggest predictors of happiness and well-being. Meaningful people invest in connection. They call friends back. They show up. They apologize when needed. They allow themselves to be known. Not everyone needs a huge social circle. A few honest, supportive relationships can matter more than dozens of shallow ones. 4, they contribute to something beyond themselves. People often feel most meaningful when they know their actions benefit others. This doesn't require saving the world. It can be helping a neighbor, mentoring someone, creating art, volunteering, raising children with care, or doing work that genuinely helps people. Psychologists call this pro-social behavior, actions intended to benefit others. These actions are strongly linked to greater purpose and emotional well-being. Meaning grows when life becomes larger than the self. 5, they reflect on their experiences. A meaningful life is not just lived, it is also understood. Reflective people take time to process what they experience. They may journal, pray, meditate, walk quietly, or simply think deeply. Reflection helps transform events into wisdom. It allows people to ask, what did this teach me? What am I avoiding? What kind of person do I want to become? Without reflection, life can pass by in a rush of unfinished emotions and repeated patterns. 6, they accept that life includes pain. One surprising trait of meaningful people is that they do not expect life to be painless. they still experience grief, disappointment, anxiety, and uncertainty, but they do not treat suffering as proof that life is meaningless. Psychologist Viktor Frankl, who survived concentration camps during World War II, wrote that meaning can exist even in suffering when we choose our response to it. Meaningful people tend to ask, "What can this experience teach me?" instead of only, "Why is this happening to me?" This shift does not erase pain, but it can transform pain into growth. 7. They create, not just consume. Modern life makes it easy to spend hours consuming content, entertainment, and information, but meaningful people usually balance consumption with creation. They write, cook, garden, build, draw, solve problems, teach, or make something with their hands and minds. Creating gives us a sense of agency and expression. It reminds us that we are participants in life, not just spectators scrolling through it. 8. They care for their body and mind. Meaning is harder to access when we are chronically exhausted, disconnected from our bodies, or emotionally overwhelmed. People who live meaningful lives often treat self-care not as selfishness, but as stewardship. They sleep, move, rest, eat reasonably well, and pay attention to their mental health. This is not about perfection. It is about recognizing that our body and mind are the instruments through which we experience life. A neglected instrument struggles to create beautiful music. 9. They stay curious and keep growing. Meaningful people do not assume they are finished becoming who they are. They remain curious. They read, learn, ask questions, and allow their perspective to evolve. Psychologists describe this as a growth orientation, the belief that we can continue developing throughout life. Growth keeps life alive. Curiosity opens doors to new purpose, new relationships, and new understanding. A meaningful life is not static, it keeps unfolding. 10. They make space for gratitude and wonder. Finally, meaningful people notice what is already good, not because life is always easy, but because attention shapes experience. Gratitude research shows that regularly noticing and appreciating positive aspects of life can improve mood, resilience, and overall well-being. They may pause to appreciate a kind message, a quiet morning, music, nature, laughter, the simple fact of being alive. Wonder keeps the heart from becoming numb. It reminds us that ordinary life still contains beauty. A meaningful life is not built in one dramatic moment. It is built through small choices, paying attention, loving people well, living by your values, growing through difficulty, and noticing the beauty that is already here. You do not need all 10 habits today. Even one small shift can begin changing how life feels. Maybe that shift is calling someone you care about. Maybe it's taking 10 quiet minutes without your phone. Maybe it's asking yourself honestly, what matters most to me right now? Meaning is not hidden in some distant future version of your life. It is shaped by the way you live this ordinary day. Thank you for spending these moments with me. Take care of yourself gently, and I'll see you next time.